welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will see how you can create a consolidated view in a portfolio. A consolidated view is a combined view of all the projects within a portfolio. It brings all the tasks into one place, so you can see everything together without switching between projects. So, here we are in the portfolio section. We see there are two portfolios here. This first portfolio contains two projects. Let's open this portfolio. Simply click on the name of the portfolio, and we can see all the projects here. To create a consolidated view, click on the plus button. You will see the option for a consolidated view. Click on Add. Here we have it. We can see all the tasks from both projects listed here. We can also see which project each task belongs to. For example, all these tasks come from SEO optimization, and these tasks come from the email automation project. We can make changes directly from here, such as changing the priority, updating the status, etc. You can also add additional columns here. For more options, right-click on Consolidated View, and we can make this the default view, pin the view, rename, duplicate, or remove it. This is how you can easily create a consolidated view to keep track of multiple projects.